Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Today, Crypto Gamer, today I'm sharing with Chaincraft's daily combo for September 24, 2024. Okay, the first one which is C, okay, CEO is this one, C, Hamster, okay, and then for the second one which is C, Sexy Fox, okay, this one, okay, and then for the third one which is C, Hamster, naka-blue jacket. And then for the fourth one, which is Coach Hamster. Okay, dedicated. And then for the last one, which is C, Simple Hamster. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. This is the best pick for Chaincraft in September 24. Okay.